it's hard to have ultra competent engineers.
Yeah.
Like Stripe seems like a trivial thing, but it's hard to pull off. Like, why was it so hard for Amazon to have buy with one click? Which I think is a genius idea.
Yeah.
Make buying easier. Like, make it as frictionless as possible. Just click a button once and you bought the thing.
Yeah.
As opposed to most of the web was a lot of clicking and it often doesn't work. Like with the airlines.
Remember the forms would delete? You could click next, submit, and it would 404 or something, or your internet would go down, your modem. Yeah, man.
And I would have an existential crisis. Like the frustration would take over my whole body. Yes. And I would just wanted to quit life for a brief moment there. Yeah.
I'm so happy the form stays in Google Chrome now when something goes wrong. But that's so Google, somebody at Google improved society with that, right?
Yeah. And one of the challenges of Google is to have the freedom to do that.
They don't anymore.
There's a bunch of bureaucracy.
Yeah, at Google.
There's so many brilliant people there, but it just moves slowly.
Yeah.
I wonder why that is. Maybe that's the natural way of a company, but you have people like Elon who rolls in and just fires most of the folks and always push the company to operate as a startup, even when it's already big.
Yeah, but I mean, Apple does this. I studied in business school. Apple does competing product teams that operate as startups. So it's 3 to 5 people. They make something. They have multiple teams to make the same thing. The best team wins. So I think you need to emulate like a free market inside a company to make it entrepreneurial, you know?
Yeah.
And you need entrepreneurial mentality in a company to come up with new ideas and do it better.